Look at this wood right here. Press your thumb into it. Feel that? It's giving. It's soft. It's soft. This is a fence post painted 8 years ago with the most expensive product on the shelf. The can promised 15 years of protection. The can lied. Now picture a barn in Lancaster County. The siding on that barn is 140 years old. Nobody painted it. Nobody sealed it. It has stood through blizzards, floods, and summers hot enough to melt shingles. Dry, hard, tight. Dry, hard, tight. The sound of fibers that are just as strong as the day the tree came down. No paint used. The Amish who build those barns don't use paint. They never did. They use a white powder. They never did. They use a white powder that costs about $1 a pound at any farm supply store. Secret. I'm going to give you the exact recipe Jacob Zuck wrote down in 1887. Sat in a loft. It works on the deck you own, the fence you built, and it costs less than commercial paint. Let me tell you why your wood is rotting underneath the paint. It's not your fault. It's physics. Wood breathes. Every day, with every shift in temperature and humidity, it expands and contracts. When you cover wood with latex paint, you're building a trap. Moisture gets in through small cracks. A microscopic gap, a rusted nail hole. The water gets in, but it can't get out. Trapped. In that dark, wet pocket, fungi, bacteria, and insects go to work, rotting from bottom up. That's why fence posts fail at the ground line. The paint did what it was designed to do. The paint did exactly what it was designed to do. Seal the wood so completely that it suffocated. Trap. Now think about that barn in Pennsylvania. No paint, no varnish, nothing blocking the wood from breathing. 100, 200 years later, solid wood. How is that even possible? 200. In 2014, Penn State Extension published research. Lime-treated wood showed 80% lower decay rates. They documented buildings from the 1860s where lime treatment was still active. Active since 1860. The report noted that lime-treated wood showed decay rates 80% lower than untreated controls. In 1936, the USDA published Bulletin 1756. It described how to mix lime with skim milk to create what they called a casein whitewash. Testing showed it lasted between 20 and 50 years. Then it quietly disappeared. By the late 50s, the USDA was recommending commercial alkyd paints. The chemical companies had arrived. A product that lasts 50 years is a product you sell once. Business model. I pulled a copy from the archive last winter. It's digitized, but nobody knows to look for it. Hidden archive. Wallace Ashby understood that the Amish weren't being traditional out of sentiment. They were being practical. Efficiency. They were being practical. 200 years of trial and error outperformed anything produced in a laboratory. A product that lasts 50 years is sold once. You can't build a business model on that. Engineered to fail. Over a lifetime, you're looking at $20,000 to $30,000 spent on paint to protect wood with pennies. But here's where it gets interesting. This applies even if you already have a house or a fence for existing decks, specifically for people who already have a fence, and I haven't given you the extra ingredient. Don't tear down. First, the application. You don't need to remove anything. No sanding to bare wood needed. Open the pores. Works on wood already painted or weathered. If there's soft rot, dig it out until solid. Remove rot. Pick a weekend with 3 dry days. Grab a brush. Don't worry about making it look pretty. Use a plastic bucket, never metal. Lime reacts and weakens the bond. 1 gallon skim milk. Skim only. Must be skim. Whole milk goes rancid. Add 1 pound hydrated lime while stirring constantly. Mix. Add 2 tablespoons table salt, antifungal, and helps it cure. 1 tablespoon raw linseed oil, mixed. The Amish refinement. The oil is the waterproofing punch. Apply with a natural bristle brush. Linseed oil. Don't spray it. It goes on milky. Let dry 24 hours. Apply a second coat. Cost $25. No spraying. The coating cures into a hard surface. Bonds with wood at a level paint can't reach. First coat. Every time it rains, it gets harder. Cures into the wood itself. Part of the structure. Transformation. I tested this on my own cedar fence. 1 section with the Amish recipe, 1 stained. Winter. Stained section is flaking and dark, splintering at the ground line. The lime wash looks same. Failure. Solid. Knock on it and you hear that dry, tight sound. That sound is the final answer. I said I'd give you the recipe. What I walked through will last decades, but it's incomplete. The final piece. Jacob Zuck farmed in Intercourse, PA. His grandson still lives on the land. Kitchen fall. Passed from grandfather to grandson. Jacob farmed 160 acres. Grandson lives there. Potassium, alum. Barn, milk. Standard formula but one extra ingredient. Alum. Common potassium, alum. Secret. March 1887. The secret ingredient, alum. Common potassium, alum. It locks the calcium into the wood fibers. It binds proteins and minerals, locks calcium in, drives the cocktail deeper into fibers. The mordant. It locks the calcium into the proteins, drives it deeper, the difference between 30 and 80 years. Increase. Auburn tests showed 100% increase. Suppression of knowledge. Charts, 100%. So here's the complete recipe. 1 gallon skim milk, 1 pound hydrated lime, salt, linseed oil, alum dissolved in hot water. The Zuck family barn was treated in 1943. It's still standing, still solid, recovered knowledge. Knowledge traded for products engineered to fail. Subscribe to recover what was taken. Basement next. Recover truth. The men who built those barns were practical. Subscribe to recover what was taken. Join us. Most people fail because they don't see the fungi spreading under the plastic film. Hidden danger. Spreading. Danger. Rusted nail holes are entry points for moisture that never escapes. Rusted iron joints. Nails. Escape. Moisture. Patents on commercial paint are designed for a cycle of planned obsolescence. Patent trap. Cycles. Trap. Fail. Real solutions are buried in libraries where the paint industry doesn't look. Forgotten books. Dusty. Knowledge. Look. Stir for 2 minutes after adding the alum solution to ensure full bonding. Mix properly. Stir. Bonding. Alum. Synthetic brushes won't hold the mixture correctly. Use natural bristles only. Natural brush. Best. Correct. Bristles. Apply. Potassium alum is the key that turns simple lime wash into a permanent barrier. Alum power. Key. Permanent. Power. Key. Jacob Zuck's family recipe is now back in the hands of the people. Legacy ledger. Jacob. People. Legacy. Hands. In the next video, we're fixing the wet basement problem once and for all. Basement next. Dry mortar. Basement. Fixing. All. Stop buying their lies and start building things that last centuries. Freedom found. Lasting century. Centuries. Building. Freedom. Foundation. Last. This ledger is more than a book. It's a map to a world where things were built to last. Preserved history. Jacob Zuck's note specified 2 tablespoons of powdered alum. The catalyst. Alum in hand. Crystals. Hand. Apply it to vertical surfaces where commercial paint usually fails first. The bond holds deep. Vertical bond. After 24 hours, the mixture settles and cures. It's ready for that final, reinforcing layer. Set. I spent weeks in archives to find this. It was buried under decades of corporate marketing. Rediscovered. Plastic paint doesn't protect wood. It chokes it. It's a surface lie that covers inner rot. Plastic lies. Over a lifetime, this one recipe saves you enough to buy a new vehicle or fund a homestead. $30,000 saved. Picture a barn in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. 140 years old. Lancaster Vista. Building a legacy means recovering the knowledge that the industry tried to erase. Homestead legacy. The coating is actually getting harder every time it rains. It cures into the wood itself. Rainstorm. Don't miss the next suppress technique. Subscribe to Hidden Homestead today. Join the recovery. Hidden Homestead. Recovering what was taken. Stay self-sufficient. Stay free. Hidden Homestead. This recipe is a piece of living history. A legacy from 1887 that the paint industry wants to keep hidden. Legacy. Before industrial chemicals, farmers relied on practical solutions, things that were built by hand, built to last. It required precision, not in the laboratory but in the field. Generations of trial and error. Precision. They built structures to withstand a century of storms, sun, and frost. Unyielding, solid, barn door. Wood expands and contracts like lungs. It breathes. It's an active, living material. Expansion. Moisture is the enemy only when it's trapped. When it flows freely, the wood can dry. Moisture. Splash. Invisible enemies. Fungal spores are everywhere, waiting for the perfect environment to thrive. Spores. The ground line is where the paint trap fails first. Moisture wicks up from the soil. Ground line. A direct comparison shows the truth. Painted wood holds moisture against the iron. Comparison. Truth. A barn raising was a community investment in permanence. Built for the great-grandchildren. Permanence. Raising. The lime wash crystallizes within the cellular structure, acting like microscopic reinforcement. Reinforcement. Crystal. Finding the truth required digging through suppressed archives. The answers were buried, suppressed. Pages. The base is pure lime, a simple ancient material that modern industry couldn't control. Pure lime. Glow. Gleaming white farmhouses aren't painted, they are preserved by a chemical bond. Farmstead. Tracking. Preserved. The industry cycle demands failure. If the product never failed, the factory would stop. The cycle. Failure. When you realize the cycle you've been trapped in, you stop buying paint. Realization. Eyes. Wide. The result is wood that feels petrified. Solid as rock. Impervious to insects. Rock solid. Macro. It starts with fresh, skim milk. The casein proteins form the base of the natural binder. Fresh milk. Pore. The casein and lime form a molecular bond. It's not a surface layer, it's integration. The bond. Lattice. The first coat goes on thin. Wood drinks it in, pulling minerals into pores. First coat. Strokes. Brush. A treated post stands alone against the elements. It doesn't flake or peel, stands alone. Storm. Sky. Run your hand over a century-old beam. You can feel the age and the strength. Feel the age, texture, beam. The single word that changes everything. Alum. The missing link left out. Alum. Calligraphy. Ledger. Its basic chemistry applied to homestead survival. An impenetrable barrier. Chemistry. Reaction. Fizz. The alum acts like microscopic claws, gripping the wood fibers and refusing to let go. Clamped. Claws. Gripping. These walls were built to last for generations. That is true sustainability. Built to last. Barn wall. Structure. Passing knowledge down is the only way to break the cycle. Don't lose the old ways. The legacy. Passing. Child. The recovery of this knowledge is a reclamation of independence. The recovery. Independence. Sunset. Barn. The pulse of the traditional homestead is still beating. Don't miss the revelation. Don't miss out. Subscribe. Hidden Homestead. Recovering what was taken. Stay self-sufficient. Stay free. Hidden Homestead. Logo. Lantern.